Good morning, or good day to you, whatever time it is that you are watching this video. Today we are vlogging our day. It is Sunday fun day, as my family likes to call it. We have a lot going on today. I hope to capture as much as I can. So, what we have going on is we are first, we're going to go to church, and then after church we are going to breakfast. We're going to show you what me and my wife eat that is keto friendly out at breakfast. Then we are going to the grocery store, so we will show you our grocery haul, what we get for keto friendly foods. After that, I'm experimenting with a fat bomb recipe, and you will see the results to that at the very end. And then I'm going to work out, and we have to go to my parents for my brother's birthday. The kids are going to get crazy, I'm sure, and my dad is making chicken fajitas, and I already talked to him about that, so we're going to show you the twist that we do to keep things keto when things might not be. So, we're going to keep things keto today. Welcome to the vlog. Enjoy this keto lifestyle video. And yeah, let's get on with this day, guys. All right. Come on, Goo Goo Gagas. Get in. Going to church. Oh, and open the door. Magic door. Whoa. All aboard.
Steve with the hat. Steve with the hat.
Look, boys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you? Sure. Excited for church?
Yeah. He's baby Steve. I'm Steve, and he's Steve. We're all Steves.
Lots of Steves. We just got out of church and we are hungry. Are you guys hungry? You don't look hungry. Chase, what do you want to get for breakfast?
A blueberry pancake.
A blueberry pancake. Parker, how about you? What do you like?
Bacon and chips.
All right. Half keto. I like that. We'll show you what we are going to get. You don't want to be on camera there, Samantha? No. All right. Well, we'll show what you get. We'll show you what you can get for breakfast on keto. Just got back from our grocery haul. I hope you could see a bunch of the good stuff that we got. I'm really excited about a few things we haven't tried yet, which are the Parmesan crisps and the cheddar crisps. We are going to my parents for my brother's birthday dinner, and we are preparing. So we're bringing some stuff to prepare because they're having chicken fajitas and it's wrapped in like a burrito wrap. I had already asked my dad if he could just leave the filling, because we can have the filling, we can't have the wrap. So if he can leave the filling, and then I can bring my Joseph's lavish bread that I like to bring, and I can have that with it. My wife is just going to have hers on top of her salad, and we did prepare a beautiful salad, which I'll show you right now. It's a good looking salad, huh, Parker?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Who's eating it?
Him.
What's his name?
Forearms.
Forearms?
Because he has 4 arms and 4 eyes.
Huh, cool. So we're gonna have that with that new also avocado ranch dressing, which I took like a little little nibble of it or whatever to try it, and it tastes really good. So that's gonna be really good on the salad and all keto friendly. We're also bringing pork rinds with us in case there's usually dips and stuff like that there. So we go prepared. We know what we're in for, so we can keep to our diet without a problem. All right, one other thing that I am going to try today. I'm not a big soda drinker, but I keep hearing about this and I want to try it. This stuff is probably horrible for you, but it's one of these. Ginger lime Diet Coke. So I'm not drinking alcohol, so I figured, well, I'll treat myself to this. I think, these things once in a great while, they'll probably be fine. There's no carbs. There's just a bunch of artificial garbage in there that you probably don't want to be having on a regular basis, but hey, it's not the worst thing that you can have. So I'm going to try that later. I'll let you know how it is. Usually I stick to just regular plain seltzer, like the blueberry lemonade one that I got that you saw in my grocery haul. Those are good. If I want something sparkly, that's normally what I have, is just some seltzer. I love those. I used to hate those, to be honest with you, and I've just grown to really love them. Sometimes I just get sick of drinking regular water, so having a little bubbly carbonation to it is good, and it helps keep you full, especially when I'm intermittent fasting. All right, I gotta work out. Let's get this done. Who's that guy?
That's Diamond Head.
Diamond Head? And who else?
Cannonball.
Cannonball. Sweet.
Forearms.
Forearms. All right.
And my watch.
I gotta work out so we can go
And
to...
I got my bedtime watch.
That's cool. I gotta work out so we can go to Nana and Papa's, okay?
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye. No.
give this stuff a try. See if it's any good. It's actually not bad. Thought it would have a little more ginger, but it's actually not bad. Be much better with rum, but we're not drinking right now. Yeah, so again, if you're gonna have a Diet Coke once in a while, no big deal. Just do it once in a while. That's my take on it. It's very sweet. I'm not used to that. Alright guys, we just got home from Nana and Papa's for our Sunday fun day. It was my brother's birthday. We had a good time. Showed you guys all the food we had. I kept things keto. I did not track today. I slacked. I was a slacker. But I kept things keto. I know that I've been doing this long enough where I know I still hit my percentages very good. One more thing on that diet ginger lime Coca-Cola. That thing was, I don't know. It was okay, but it definitely didn't taste like ginger. It just tastes like Diet Coke, especially the more I drank it. The best artificial sweeteners to have are monk fruit, stevia, and erythritol. Those are the ones you want to look for. Aspartame is probably no good. But again, if you're having it once in a great while, I mean, that's the first Diet Coke I think I've had in, I don't even know, the longest time. And I just wanted a little treat. So, no worries there. All right, I'm going to end the day with trying out one of these fat bombs that I made earlier. So I'm going to give these things a try. In the actual recipe that I saw, they actually had cocoa that I can't have chocolate, I'm allergic, but they had like cocoa and coconut oil, which I'm also allergic to. They had melted that and drizzled it over the top, so that would be really good. And obviously, you can use peanut butter instead of I use sun butter because I'm allergic to peanut butter as well. But it's not funny. It's just real life.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just kidding. All right, I'm going to try this. You want to try it? Oh.
Me? I'll try it. Give me it.
It's softer than I thought it'd be.
Can I try it?
It's strong. Definitely don't put salt in it. I think the salt may be overdone. I don't think you're going to like it.
Okay.
It's really wet.
Oh.
Little bite. Little bite. I'll eat it. Get my fats up. That good, huh? All right, so it might be a fat bomb fail here. All right, well, there's a lot of recipes on Pinterest you guys can try.
I need water.
He needs water. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Have a wonderful day. If you're at the end of the day, have a good night. We're going to watch a little bit of the Oscars and choke down this fat bomb. If you have a good fat bomb recipe that I'm not allergic to, just send it to me, because obviously I need to try something else besides that.
Do you like it?
No. No. All right. I'm going to stick with my keto coffee. All right, guys. Keep on keeping on. Consistency is the key. Always rock and roll.